Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend and it's going to be a fun week. We got NFP and they're saying that the government will shut down. So this is going to be a very fun week because we have a bunch of red folders and this is what my quant said. So the big issue in the next 24 hours, the US faces a potential government shutdown September 30 with the risk of permanent layoffs in federal agencies this time, not just furloughs. Market may see added volatility as shutdown risk weighs on the dollar, delays, and it would delay the NFP data this Friday. So if we do shut down, if they shut down the government this week, we might not have an NFP on Friday. So I don't know how's the market going to react, but there's 100% sure the volatility was going to be insane. So it's saying likely chop until NFP. Watch data releases for breakout catalyst. All right. So if you're not a part yet of our Telegram channel, you're missing out on all the updates, real-time updates on my trades and setups. So go ahead, join. Link is in my bio. It's in my link tree. And if you're not subscribed yet, boys, you're missing out. We post daily content, daily TA on Bitcoin, altcoins, tutorials for prop firms. So if you want to get funded with up to $300,000 worth of capital, I have a video here how to get funded for crypto trading. You can see it actually on my description below. We got Weeks, Coinflare, Bybit. If you want to use for no KYC exchange with big bonuses, of course. And then for client funding, we have the biggest discounts right now, up to 25% off for their standard evaluations and 15% off on instant funded accounts. So I haven't taken any trades on my Weeks account, our $1,000 to a 100K challenge. I got chopped last week and I got wrecked, boys. I've been trying to long this because I really wanted our coins to go up, but yeah, I got tired and now I just want to wait how we're going to react this NFP this week. But looking at Nasdaq, boys, it's looking very, very strong. And after dipping for 3 days and recovered like really fast, and I'm actually long. So I'm long Nasdaq, and I'm trying to see how London will react after we take this high right here. And if we do take it and can come down, I'm probably gonna trail my stop loss now. So I was actually long right here, midnight open. I added here, I added again here. Once I saw we inverted 4 hour, not the 4 hour, I think this is the 1 hour gap. Yeah, 1 hour gap. So I was like, we might invert this 1 hour gap and finally take this high, or we're probably gonna come for this equal highs this week. So I longed here and pretty happy. It's just small 5 micros, and I'm probably gonna trail my stop loss now. All right, so let's go to Bitcoin. Boys, Bitcoin and altcoins are actually pumping right now. Looks like sometimes if you see price action do something like this, it's like bottom price action. Now my problem with this price action is they usually print a bottom signal and then they pump it all the way up, and then once it's pumped, they're probably gonna trap a lot of people right here and they're just gonna bring it back down and go lower, just from my experience. So that's why I was like, on the weekend I was like, I'm not gonna long this, but in hindsight I should have longed and taken some profits here, because to be honest, boys, we are actually, it was might have been a valid long, to be honest, because we're actually at our short area level plus the anchored VWAP from the top on this point of control right here. So it's actually pretty funny. We should have just long, but like, do you really want to long this? That the relative equal lows and poor lows is just right down there, a few thousand. No, not a few thousand. I think $1,000 away from it. And for me, this will be the perfect longs, to be honest. So looking at the higher time frame, like this is what I'm seeing right now for NFP. This is like a whole range now. So we deviated from the range, get back inside, deviated again, and now it's trying to get back inside. So I'm thinking this might just be a big range. So I pulled the point the volume profile, and I think a lot of sellers will probably try to sell around here today. So that's why I'm leaning more into shorts, just because we left poor lows again here. If you can see here, so around the previous day low, we have a poor low, and then same on CME chart and on Coinbase chart. Plus, like our one big final week low would be previous month low. You can see that. So I'm hoping that we would actually just take this all this week before going to all time high. So that is my plan for Bitcoin. That's why I'm leaning more into shorts. I didn't short yet, so let's actually remove this too, because I added one more short here. We have a point of control right there, and we have point of control, value area low of the big range. So I want to see how we react here. If we SFP or we reject, because we also have a 786 fib. So I would say that would be a good short level. And then if we don't reject there, we might probably come down and draw on this liquidity right here or right here. But I think this would be like a great short as well. Previous week open, I think you also have a naked daily point of control. Oh, you don't have, but somewhere around here. So I might actually have to make this bigger, to be honest. Hold on, let's actually make it bigger. So this might actually be a little bit bigger short. Plus you have a previous month open too. Yeah, yeah. You also have a previous month open right there. Hold on. Let me just fix. Oops. I actually put like two naked point of controls already. All right, so I want to put it there. But I would say like this would be a big short area. Now I kind of like want to move it somewhere there. Move it a little bit and then maybe up there, up to the previous month open. So let's just actually fix that and then lock it in place. Yeah, it's locked. Okay. So this would be like a big short area, to be honest, but you have to be careful because you have like a liquidity up here. Well, we might tap, but like I'm pretty sure sellers are going to be aggressive this week. Plus we have government shutting down NFP. So those are my short plans for. Wait, my OCD is kicking in, so I'm sorry. So those are my short plans for Bitcoin, and I actually want to try shorting this because this would be like the perfect. This would be like the perfect scenario for Bitcoin. We reject around here, come down, and then take the liquidity down here, fill some single prints, and then finally bounce maybe 786 of this one here, or take this liquidity. So that would be like the best case scenario, perfect plan for Bitcoin. And then we go to all time highs and biggest blow off top 150K, November or October. So that is my plan for Bitcoin. For longs, it's hard to kind of long now that like you're like in the middle right now. If you see, this is a range, and then that will be like the middle of the range. And then you have resistance right there. It's like so hard to long now. Yesterday, I think would be the best longs in my opinion. So we'll just play shorts today. All right. All right. So I think that's it for this video, boys. That's all our levels for today. Let me know in the questions if you have. Let me know in the comments if you have questions, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel for real-time updates, and don't forget to subscribe, boys. So that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.